Hello, and welcome to House Lux Estate, your ultimate guide to real estate. Here at House Lux, we strive to provide valuable insights and tips to navigate the complex world of property buying, selling, and management. Our aim is to make your real estate journey as smooth and rewarding as possible. Today, we're peeling back the curtain to reveal the truth about buying a home. We'll cover expert insights, break down the process, and even discuss common mistakes to avoid. So without further ado, let's dive into the truth about buying a home. We have real estate experts who have shared their insights on buying a home. When it comes to buying a home, you'd be hard-pressed to find a group of people more knowledgeable than our panel of real estate experts. These seasoned professionals have seen it all, and they're here to shed some light on the realities of the home buying process. First off, one of our experts wants you to know that buying a house is not just about the price tag. It's about finding a place that you can truly call home. It's about the neighborhood, the local schools, the commute, and so much more. So, don't be swayed by a low price tag alone. Look for a home that fits your lifestyle and future plans. Another expert chimes in on the importance of getting pre-approved for a mortgage before you start house hunting. This not only gives you a clear idea of your budget, but also makes you a more attractive buyer to sellers. It's like having a secret weapon in your home buying arsenal. Then there's the expert who debunks the myth that you need a 20% down payment to buy a house. In reality, there are several loan programs out there that require much less. So don't let a lack of savings deter you from pursuing your dream of homeownership. And finally, our experts unanimously agree that there's no such thing as a perfect home. Every house, even new builds, will have their quirks. The key is to focus on the things that really matter to you and be willing to compromise on the rest. To wrap up, our experts want to emphasize that buying a home is a journey, not a destination. It's about more than just signing on the dotted line and getting the keys. It's about making smart decisions, doing your homework, and finding a place where you can build your future. As you can see, there's more to buying a home than meets the eye. Now that we've heard from the experts, we're going to break down the home buying process. Let's start with the first step, finding a realtor. This is a crucial stage as your realtor will be your guide through the winding paths of home buying. A good realtor can provide valuable insights into the market, assist in finding homes that fit your budget and needs, and negotiate deals on your behalf. So, take your time to find a realtor who is experienced, knowledgeable, and most importantly, someone you can trust. Once you've found your realtor, it's time to get pre-approved for a loan. This step is all about understanding your financial standing and how much house you can afford. Meeting with a lender will give you a clear picture of your credit score, the loan amount you qualify for, and the interest rates applicable. The pre-approval letter you receive will also give you a competitive edge when you start house hunting. Next, we move to the exciting part, searching for a home. This is where your wish list comes into play. Do you want a house with a big backyard, or perhaps a loft in the city center? Your realtor will help you find homes that meet your criteria and arrange for you to tour them. Remember, patience is key in this step. It might take a while to find the perfect home, but it's worth the wait. Once you've found your dream home, it's time to make an offer. Your realtor will guide you on how to make an attractive offer based on the home's value, market conditions, and your budget. If your offer is accepted, congratulations! You're one step closer to becoming a homeowner. Finally, we reach the closing stage. This is when the legalities come into play. You'll need to get the home inspected, appraised, and finalize your mortgage. Once all the paperwork is signed and the keys are handed over, you're officially a homeowner. The home buying process can be complex, but with the right knowledge and preparation, you can navigate it successfully. So buckle up, stay informed, and enjoy the journey to your new home. Buying a home is a big step, and it's easy to make mistakes. Here are some common ones to avoid. First off, let's talk about pre-approval for a loan. It's not just a preliminary step, it's an essential one. Not getting pre-approved is like going to a restaurant without checking your wallet. You might end up loving the house, but without pre-approval, you won't know if you can afford it. So, before you start browsing, make sure you have a clear financial picture. Next up is the mistake of not considering all costs. Buying a home isn't just about the sticker price. There are additional costs like closing fees, property taxes, homeowners insurance, and maintenance costs, not to mention the potential costs of renovations and furniture. So when you're calculating your budget, remember to consider everything. Now let's talk about rushing the process. Buying a home isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement and make a hasty decision, but remember, this is a long-term investment. Take your time. Visit the property multiple times at different times of the day. Check out the neighborhood, the schools, the local amenities. Research, and then research some more. Another common mistake is not getting a home inspection. An inspection can reveal potential issues that aren't immediately visible, like structural problems or outdated electrical systems. Skipping this step could lead to costly repairs down the line. And lastly, don't forget to negotiate. Many home buyers accept the first price they're given, but remember, everything is negotiable in real estate. If the home inspection reveals issues, or if the property has been on the market for a while, you may be able to negotiate a lower price. Avoiding these mistakes can help make your home buying experience smoother and more successful. So, take your time, do your research, and approach the process with a clear and informed mind. Happy house hunting! So there you have it, the truth about buying a home. We hope you found this information helpful. We've journeyed through the intricate, often daunting world of home buying together, and we hope that this has shed some light on the process. From expert insights to the step-by-step breakdown of the home buying process, we've covered it all. We dove into the common pitfalls that many fall into, and how you can avoid them. Remember, knowledge is your greatest ally in this journey, and preparation is the key that unlocks the door to your dream home. The truth is, buying a home isn't a walk in the park, but it doesn't have to be a trek through an uncharted jungle either. With the right information, a solid plan, and a dash of patience, you can navigate through this journey with confidence and ease. Take these insights, apply them, and remember, you're not alone in this. There are professionals ready to guide you, and resources available to help you make informed decisions. And of course, we're here to provide valuable content, designed to equip you with what you need to know about real estate. So, keep learning, keep preparing, and before you know it, you'll be standing at the doorstep of your new home, key in hand, ready to begin a new chapter. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more real estate insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.